So you're tired of running on fumes? Well, today's episode is going to help you restore your natural energy, mental clarity, and confidence. We're going to stop you from burning out. So many parents tell me I can push through anything until suddenly I can't. That moment where your body gives out, your mind blinks, and even those simple tasks feel so heavy, that's not weakness. That's your body just giving out, and it's not your fault.
Exactly. Most people aren't overwhelmed because life's too full. They're overwhelmed because their internal capacity has been stretched to the limit. Stress isn't the enemy. Running on an empty tank, that's the enemy.
So today we're going to be breaking down the 5 essential steps that's going to rebuild your capacity to handle more without crashing out.
Right now, burnt out is at an all-time high, unfortunately. Parents are waking up tired, powering through the day on caffeine, and falling asleep exhausted, only to repeat the cycle. Your nervous system remembers every rushed morning, every skipped meal, every late night, and eventually it taps out.
So true. This is where the knife really begins to twist, is that your body doesn't wait for your permission to shut down. Or you don't push the power button, it just shuts down, boom, just like that. Because once you get past that threshold, your body wants to go into that rejuvenation mode. It's to feel like good. And what happens? Your patience disappears, your clarity dissipates, your emotional resilience, it collapses.
Does that sound familiar? But capacity can be rebuilt. You can expand your ability to carry your life without feeling crushed by it.